Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of the Gargoyles Den dIECAST. Today we're going to do a rare anomaly. It's a 1 year only Redline named the Lola GT70. The only year that it was available was 1969 for the Gran Prix series. Since then they have not done another one. We're going to do two of them today. One we're going to restore it back to original with the antifreeze paint as they call it. And the other, I'm sorry, but I can't stand the dark green, and I've already got one in my collection that has, the paint's perfect on mine with the exception of a few little nicks up here in the front. It's just the stickers all beat up on it. That was the original sticker that came with them too. Yellow stripe and a number 10. So this one is going to be a custom. I've already had them drilled apart. This one, as we can see, has a busted window. I do have a replacement window. The wheels on this have already been replaced. However, this one, the wheels are shot on, so this will be getting a set of replacement wheels. And it looks like the glass is okay. We may have to buff it a little bit. It definitely gets some gauzy, but other than that, it seems to be alright. So let's go ahead and get them apart and see what we got. Not that there's a whole lot to guess here, because we know we have the interior. This one's getting the new glass because the side window's busted. Plastic parts here, put them in our degreaser, let them soak for a little while. Now this one I'm going to leave the old wheels on until after I've done the base. That way it'll protect the bearings from getting damaged when I'm using the wire brush or the buffing tool. This one I'll leave them on anyway, but yeah, this one's not in that bad shape in the first place, so shouldn't be a problem. I'll just have to be careful not to mess up the wheels. These, obviously, both the rear ends are still intact. They're not flopping all over the place like you see on some of these. So I'm going to go ahead and file this down a little flatter on both of them. And then we're going to take it over to the drill press and get these drilled out for the 172 screws. Go ahead and get the file out. I'm not taking it down much, I just kind of want a flat surface. Something like that. That'll do it. Do the back ones. I'm going to leave a very long post on these. And this one looks like it's pretty well centered, so we'll leave that alone. This one we had to do because it was off center just a hair. Alright, I'm going to go take these over to the drill press and get them drilled out, and we'll be off to the regurgitation juice. Back in a little bit. Alright, back from the regurgitation juice, and as you can see, it did a number on the paint. It's got a little bit of toning, so we're going to have to try to make sure that this all matches up once we get it all polished and everything. You know, it might take a little extra work. This one, yeah, it's got a little bit of toning, but nothing like that. I mean, that's obvious. So let's go ahead and get them wire brushed and polished, see how it comes out. Now for some flits. And then we make a determination on what we think about the toning, because yeah, there's still a little bit of toning on this one. But there is a little trick that I have that I can use. And that is a base coat. And just time everybody's like, oh, it's supposed to be the bare metal. Well, Redline Shop actually has a base coat, a silver base coat. It makes it look just like it's this metal. So yeah, when you have really, really bad toning that you can't get out of it or whatever, you can use that base coat and it still looks like it's regular Spectraflame paint. So yeah, we may end up doing that. I haven't used it in quite a while, so yeah, I probably should use it anyway, but just to use it up. But this one didn't come out too bad. But yeah, we'll see how it looks after we do the flits. Hey everybody, I'm back. Got everything back together and this is our final result. In the name of honesty, I must admit, I messed up the paint on both cars. Something I don't usually do. The green one, the antifreeze green, the first time I painted it, you could still see some of the toning and it just looked like crap. It looked like dirt smudges on it. So I turned around, I stripped it back down and I did the silver base coat from Redline shop. And then did the antifreeze over that, and it looks perfect now. It's great. The blue one, I got in too much of a hurry and started touching it and rubbing on it and stuff as I was trying to put it together, and messed up the paint on the two front fenders. So I also stripped it back down and painted it a second time, and then put it in the dehydrator for almost an hour, just to make sure it was dry enough for me to handle. And it came out beautiful in the end, but yeah, both of them, I messed up both of them. Told you guys I won't hide my mistakes. I'll tell you all about them. But I also know how to fix them, so there's that to be said for it. Alright, well, these two are in the books. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment if you wish. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.